Good evening. In this session, I would like to discuss about what is the input data that is required for developing analytical curves and synthetic curves. And in analytical curves, especially I'm going to discuss about ellipses. And these wireframe entities are analytical curves and synthetic curves. In the analytic curves, we have ellipse. To generate an algorithm, to develop an algorithm, it requires the center point of the ellipse and the length of major axis and length of minor axis. If you give these three data, you can easily write an algorithm to develop an ellipse. And the other way of drawing an ellipse is the four coordinates of rectangle. A, B, C, D. If you have the four coordinates of rectangle, you can easily draw an algorithm to develop an ellipse. And even you can outscribe this rectangle also, inscribing and outscribing. You can develop an algorithm to outscribe the rectangle. And the other synthetic curve is parabola, conics. So if you have focus coordinate and vertex coordinate, you can easily draw a parabola using any algorithm. So this is about synthetic curves, analytic curves. And for synthetic curves, we have cubic spline. To develop an algorithm for cubic spline, we need four coordinates: T1, T2, T3, T4. And once you have the four coordinates, you can have tangents T1 and T2. If you have this new data in the computer, you easily can write an algorithm to draw the cubic spline. And next one is Bezier curve. If you want to draw the Bezier curve, you need to have the control points, n number of control points, and draw a line joining all control points. And you can write an algorithm to develop. You can develop an algorithm with this input data to draw a beautiful Bezier curve. And the Bezier curve will be having the constant degree of freedom depending upon the control points. And next one is B-spline curve. This is similar to Bezier curve, will be having some control points. And you can control the degrees of freedom of the curve from the minimum value to the maximum value. So this is our B-spline curve. And similarly, if you give a number of points, you can draw a cubic spline, cubic curve by interpolating the coordinates, and you can draw the curve. This is a cubic curve. Cubic spline, cubic interpolation. So this is how you can draw the various curves given some input data. So that's what I would like to discuss in this session. Thank you.